Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, so do it for example in the messages or in a browser, notes, whatever you want to actually. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and now let's tap on the settings icon on this panel at the top. Now let's enter the languages, and this is the list of all other languages. We've got only English, so let's change it. Let's tap on add a keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So basically, and this list is so wide, and I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to set. So basically, and that's all you have to do. So just scroll and find the language you'd like to use. Of course, if you think that you don't want to scroll, just tap on this the second search icon here and just type it. So if you will find it, tap on the language. Sometimes, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So just tap on it, and here again, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the keyboard types, and sometimes you will only be able to pick only one keyboard type, or even up to 5. So again, it depends. I want to set this one, so all we have to do is to simply mark it and unmark the first option. Of course, you can set like 2, 3, or all of the available options of keyboards. It's up to you. Let's confirm it with tapping on done. And now, since the Urdu language is on the list, we can go back to the keyboard and check. And we will have actually two differences. Currently, we can see only one, and this is the globe icon. So it will act like a language key. Right now, I'm typing in English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one, as you can see. And here we've got the second difference. So the spacebar, from now on, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So after tapping on the globe icon, you can see that I've got the English. So that's how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't want to have like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to change the language, so apply a different one. So let's enter the settings here, tap on the languages, and here from this step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, because as you can see right now, we can mark the language and remove it. So I want to remove Urdu, I want to leave English, and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so now we can go back. And again, first of all, we do not have the language key, and the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only English applied. So actually that's all. This is how to add language to the keyboard in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.